First, we have big breaking news coming in. This complete focus on the Al Falah University campus, which housed terrorists. Now, the breaking news is 15 doctors from Al Falah campus have gone underground. The mobile phones of the 15 doctors have been switched off. So this is a university that is that is under the scanner. The focus is on this university following the Delhi blast. And remember, government has already ordered a forensic audit of all the records of the Al Falah University. It is also looking into the money trail of this institution. And now, 15 doctors from Al Falah campus go underground. Well, let's get all the updates. My colleague Ayuna is now joining us live from the newsroom. Ayuna, what more details do you have?
Yes, Aishwarya, as you rightly mentioned, the focus now, the majority of the investigation has now completely turned to the Al Falah campus in Faridabad. This is the very campus, Aishwarya, where these terror doctors used to work and from where the police had seized at least 360 kgs of explosives. What we're learning now at this point in time is that 15 doctors who are allegedly linked to terror doctor Muzammil, who's one of the conspirators in this entire 10/11 blast case, have now gone underground. They are untraceable. This while multiple police teams across multiple states are conducting raids to ascertain, the larger plot to bring in the more players who are part of this conspiracy. 15 of them have now gone underground, while we're also learning that 3 more doctors who are linked to this very campus, this Al Falah University campus in Faridabad, have now been detained in Mewat. So more and more doctors are now coming under scanner. And what we're learning is that, even as all of this investigation unfolds, this overall security has been beefed up. Every person who's entering and exiting that campus is now under scanner, even police officials. So obviously, there has been a step up in the way this investigation is been conducted. And the entire focus of the probe now shifts to, this larger conspiracy of white-collar jihad, which we have been speaking about, Aishwarya. And the authorities at this point in time are just simply trying to ascertain how many more doctors, maybe who may have been radicalized, linked to, these terror doctors, be it Adil Radir or Muzammil or Dr. Shaheen, may be involved in this plot, Aishwarya.
All right, stay with us, Ayuna. I will just come back to you because we have more breaking news coming in at this moment. No district, this is the breaking news coming in. No district is under the scanner of the investigating agency. Now the NIA and Faridabad, the crime branch, are continuously conducting raids in this area. And so far, a total of 5 people, including